Continue on Shakespeare Street for 800 meters.
Punta na naman kami ng ng Bundaberg. Muulan. Hindi pa ako nakapagsuklay. Magmamadali kami. Ano oras na kasi? 8:08 na. How many hours going to?
6. And then nearly 7.
Nearly
7.
7 hours going to nearly 7 or 7.
6.5
Going
travel,
to Bundaberg. Kahapon 8 hours, siguro mga 10 hours siguro drive namin kahapon papunta dito sa Makay galing Cairns. Kasi marami kaming stop. So kahapon 4 PM kami nakarating dito. Medyo maaga. Tapos sa puntang Bundaberg, ewan ko lang kung ano oras kami makarating doon kasi 7 hours yung almost 7 hours yung biyahe. So plus stop pa.
What?
Hindi maganda yung dito, yung weather sa Makay.
Pero
Si Bye Makay, boys. Si Bye Makay.
bye.
Bye.
Bye, Makay.
Pangit yung weather, guys.
In
Ulan.
300 meters, turn left onto Bruce Highway, Nemo Road. Straight to stay on Bruce Highway, Nemo Road.
Sobrang pangit talaga ng weather today. Kahapon medyo okay. Pero ngayon maulan.
5 kilometers.
One night lang pala kami dito, guys, kahapon. Kagabi lang kami dito. Nakapunta na kasi kami dito before. Kaya one night lang kami. Stop lang overnight. Kasi biyahe pa papuntang Bundaberg. One night only in Bundaberg to One night lang din sa Bundaberg. Gusto lang pumunta ni Jason sa Bundaberg kasi hindi pa daw siya nakapunta doon. Bili daw siya ng inumin doon. Hindi din kami nakapunta doon. So it's a good experience for us. Kahit makaano lang. Kita lang ba ang lugar. Tapos after ng Bundaberg, the next day biyahe na naman kami sa Toowoomba na.
Good morning to this wet and wild Thursday morning in Mackay. So we're just heading towards Sarina to fill up and grab some breakfast. And then venture on down to Bundaberg today.
Please.
Little one in the back.
Take 7 hours.
Please.
1 hour less than Makay.
Anyway, he's got good manners so far. Anyway, we'll see you further down the track. Make this see my face.
Jay, can you get him yogurt there, Jay, please?
Yogurt
Maybe you boys should have a yogurt.
It's in that bag. Yeah, on that side. Now in that side of that thing where you, on the bottom. You got it?
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Bruce Highway,
Ayun.
A1.
Si Jackson humihingi ng yogurt, guys. Kanina pa yung nagpipis. Sabi niya, peace. Open, Jay, please. Open, please. Jay. Thank you. Ta.
That's the way through the ring road. Shortcut.
Yeah. Why? Where's your didi?
Take the second left, then turn right.
What? There it is there.
What you having for breakfast, boys?
Chicken.
Yummy? Thanks
Yeah.
to Papa.
Thank you.
about Jackson? What you having, Jackson? Are you having a dim sim? There on your Manoy stand. Look good on you, the Mickey Mouse jacket check. Jackson having a milk. How about Papa? We got nothing. I'll wait later. Gusto ko ng kape. I want coffee for breakfast. I don't want to get fat on our holiday. So no breakfast for me. Skip breakfast. If I get hungry later, I'll eat a little bit. But for now, I want to have a coffee. A good coffee. Pangit talaga ng ulan ng ano guys, ng panahon.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no side and no limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright.
Gotta keep it rocking everywhere I go.
Dito kami Jollibee. Jollibee. I said, we're at Jollibee. McDonald's pala, Jollibee. That's the bad for JJ. What's that? Quick one. Bili muna kami lang lunch dito. I said we're here at Jollibee. Yeah, I was wrong. I should say McDonald's.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Love mo ang blankie. Love mo ang blankie. Yeah. Love mo yung mga blankie. Ha?
So this is the city anyway.
Ito, roundabout din.
Use the roundabout to make a U-turn.
It's 4 o'clock this afternoon. I'm at Epworth. Queensland's Energy Minister says he won't step down after providing incorrect information about the Allied Power Station explosion. Victor Brenny has interrupted 2 days of leave to confront the media as the fallout continues from the release of a draft report into the 2021 shutdown. He says CS Energy executives at the time told him maintenance procedures had been followed. I'm not sure of the motivations.
Bridge is closed.
In 600 metres, turn left onto Perry Street.
They're no longer in this business. We recruited a new CEO.
Another bridge over there.
Ensure that the power station instead of Queensland operate effectively. A citizen has been injured in a serious assault in Logan. Emergency.
Hey guys, ito na pala kami guys, Bundaberg. Punta muna kami mag-shopping muna kami, shopping talaga. Bili lang ng dinner namin. Tsaka may bibilhin lang ako sa JB Hi-Fi.
No, we can't do that.
Babies.
Start with F.
Welcome to Bundaberg, the home of the famous Bundaberg rum. Might just have one in the car in. Anyway, we're a great little town. Very neat, very tidy.
You have to have both.
Pretty cool buildings getting around. Sit on the river as well. Some nice boats. Our accommodation's absolutely awesome. Weather's a bit shitful, and it is winter. Good. Tomorrow we're going to the Bundy factory. Yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Ito kami ngayon guys sa Bundaberg Plaza nila. Bili muna ako dito sa may bibili lang ako sa GB Hi-Fi. Huh? I thought it's in here. You said,
right? Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
tapos na kami sa sa GB Hi-Fi. Punta kami ngayon sa Woolworths. Bili na makakain for dinner. Bobby, Jackson,
don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Jackson,
Forever.
Bobby, Jackson. Ha. Wow. Bobby. Wow.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here
Jackson.
forever?
Jackson.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
Yummy?
here forever?
Yummy?
I'm loving this moment.
Yummy inside your tummy?
Can we stay here forever?
Yummy.
I'm loving this moment.
Yummy? Yummy?
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Kain tayo guys. Ito yung dinner namin kay Jackson. Yan, kay Jackson yan. Pero tapos na siyang kumain. Bread roaster. Si Jason gutom na gutom.
Forever.
Ito yung sa akin. Saka yan.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Jackson. Jackson? You want nam-nam? Nam-nam?
Isa man sa mga